What's wrong with my fox? Get a fox, they said. It'd be really fun, they said. What are you doing? You silly boy.
Is he gonna get a lift? What? Is he gonna hold up one for us? Yeah, is he gonna lift? Awesome, lamb. It's gonna be awesome. Yes! Please tell me you're gonna get it. No. That is awesome! Oh my god. Good boy.
Are you in the jacuzzi? Are you in the jacuzzi all by yourself? Bo's enjoying the jacuzzi.
Jesus. Stroller.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
Milo, we need to have a serious discussion. Okay, you don't have to look at me, but you're stinky and you're getting a bath today.
Oh my god, what? That's a whole cat. Am I gonna be on TikTok?
You okay, boy?
What? Dinky! Hey, Dinky. Dinky, that's not gonna fit.
Russian lady crawl into your lap, she tucks her noodle sticks into her potato. She gets very small actually. Then Nora punched me in the face.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man.